pretty good amount of intrepid soldiers for today. Hey race fan, Brian Davis Races, and you can too! It is cold outside! Dang! Dang! It's Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving here in the United States of America. And I made plans. And that is why I'm leaving my house, my comfortable, warm couch with plenty of coffee. I made plans with other humans. It's called the Gobblers Knob Ride, basically just a fun ride after Thanksgiving. We're gonna hit some gravel, some trails, some road. I told people to bring your cross bike, bring your mountain bike, bring your fat bike. It's not a race, but we're gonna have two little challenges through the day to keep things spicy. All right. And as I don't mention this on the channel much, but I turned vegetarian this summer, and I made a beautiful looking turkey yesterday, and I had exactly one bite of it. And you know what? I didn't miss turkey. Because I think turkey might be the most overrated thing in the world. I don't care what you did to it. It always tastes exactly the same. Yes. So, there's my thoughts on turkey. I knew you guys were wondering. The Cyclocross National Championships is 2 weeks. This is the tail end of my rest week as we do one more build up quick to get ready for that. Rolling. The engine is working. I'm excited. Excited to have my truck back. Let's go see who shows up. It's 12 degrees Fahrenheit outside today. Next stop, Recyclist Bicycle Company in Kaukauna, Wisconsin. Try to say that if you're not from here. Kaukauna, Wisconsin. I know, you thought it was some sort of Hawaiian cheese when you see it in the store, like I did. It's not Hawaiian. It's not. It's from Wisconsin, Kaukauna. Probably here a lot longer than Wisconsin, but all right, that's another story. Okay, bye. Hey, we're here. There's the bike shop. Hello, bike shop. But I thought I'd run through what I'm wearing real quick just to give you an idea what one wears when it's 12 degrees outside and you go for a bike ride. Sorry, 13. So I have, let's start from the bottom. I have my Follow Hollow socks on. Yeah. Available at followhollow.com. Alpaca socks. I have the boot socks on today because it's really cold. And then I'm wearing my 45 Nirth winter boots. I have thermal tights from Gore Bikewear. And then I have this snowboarding pants, and I'm gonna wear a snowboarding jacket on top. If you're looking for truly bulletproof cold weather gear, I would encourage you to get a tight fitting snowboarding setup, and I think you'll be all set. A base layer, a thermal jersey from Gore, and then I'm gonna wear the 686 jacket, a Weatherneck hat, and then a Weatherneck neck gaiter. I no longer sell those, sorry, but yeah, I no longer sell them, so you can't get them anymore. Bummer. Cyclocross bike with a bag for food. Lobster mitt gloves from Pearl Izumi are coming. I told people to bring cross and mountain bikes, and that gentleman has a road bike. So he's gonna have a hard time in the trail. But bless his heart. You know, I met a few people at that Yosemite cycling camp, and they live in California and through racing Tour of America's Dairyland, and they live in California. And some days I feel like, man, maybe they're doing it right. Maybe living in California is the way, or Arizona or somewhere warm. I don't know. Are they doing it right? Is Wisconsin okay? They don't have fat biking there, and for that I feel badly for them. But they also don't have 12 degrees. Oh, what did I find? Oh, look, a GoPro battery. Okay, I stashed my pocket knife. I started carrying a pocket knife, which makes me truly an old man now. A master's racer. It's part of the gear. Let's go get a cup of coffee. You got coffee?
Sure do.
All right.
I'm holding mine to warm myself.
I see that cat lady coffee holding technique.
Do you like
Two
that?
hands. Hallmark greeting card kind of vibe. Hi.
It's warm out today.
It's not that bad, really. Because
You drove over it.
yeah, it's way better.
It was.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Baker's dozen.
Yeah, Rochester.
And maybe we'll pick up one or two more. Probably not, though. Thanks for coming, everybody. I'm super excited that this many people showed up. I think we're at like 14 or 15 people, so it's pretty good when it's 15 degrees. You get one person for every degree. It's not bad. Do it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, to the trail! Yay! This is our first challenge.
Boy, no one's even warmed up yet, right?
Challenge! Yeah, go. Oh, I really should have shifted first.
You ride it in the last
Straight by.
Great. It's pretty. It'd be definitely inside Zwifting today, but telling other people you're gonna do stuff, you know, generates some desire to follow through on it because you told other people. You can do it! See, I don't think everyone knows about these trails, so these weird little rides introduce people to new stuff. It's just a little service I provide over at Brian Davis Races. I'd like to thank Riven Bike Works. They are associated with these trails. You could go buy fenders and some gear related items there. I'll post their website. We'll go check them out. Hey, how much fun is that? That's like a free roller coaster.
Had no idea it was there.
Riven Bike Works. All right, I'll give him a shout. Andy! Riven Bike Works! There's your shout. These trails are fairly legit, as they say, or in French, legit. Damn. You're welcome. This is better than my couch. You guys have a good trip, huh? Effort! Effort! Vegan cyclist has half dome. I have toxic waste. Neener, neener, pooper beaner. Cross!
Oh, baby, baby, why you act so cold? That little dress, how